Alice and Charlie are playing a game. They've got this number written on the board, and they're allowed to subtract from it any of the digits which currently appear in the number. So we're asked to find Alice's winning strategy, where you win if you're the person who writes down 100 at the end. It's quite a good idea to think about what the last move must be. So if we want to be writing down 100 at the end, we've subtracted a digit in the previous step, meaning we've subtracted something between 1 and 9. So the previous number has to be 100 and let's say it was 6. Subtracting this last digit seems like a good idea. So let's see what happens if we start out the game by doing this. So 125 minus the units digit gives us 120. Charlie is now forced to subtract either a 1 or a 2. So if he subtracts a 1, that gives us 119. And if he subtracts a 2, that gives us 118. Now, Alice is going to continue with her previous strategy, subtracting the units digit. So Alice writes down, well, it doesn't matter which option Charlie chose, Alice can still subtract the units digit and get 110. Now, Charlie is forced to subtract a 1. So we have 109, and Alice can subtract the 9 and get 100, which is the winning condition of the game. So we have found a winning strategy for Alice. This strategy seems like it'll always work. Alice can force the number down to a multiple of 10, and then Charlie can only subtract a digit, so in particular can't get it down to the next multiple of 10. The only time that Alice wouldn't be able to do this is if the number we started out with was a multiple of 10. When we start with a multiple of 10 on the board, Charlie has the winning strategy. No matter which digit Alice subtracts, we're not going to get down to a multiple of 10. She can subtract the 2 or the 1. She always gets something which ends with a non-zero digit. This is because to get down to the next multiple of 10, we'd need to subtract 10, and the only digits are between 1 and 9. Charlie's move is to subtract the unit digit, which is the same in either case. The effect of this, the combination of Alice and Charlie's moves, is to subtract 10 from the number. By continuing with this strategy, Charlie will eventually write down 100, because when we subtract 10 repeatedly, we're bound to hit 100. And Alice can never write a multiple of 10, so in particular, she can't write 100. So this is a winning strategy for Charlie, but it only works when we start with a multiple of 10.